A very good morning to all my lovely kids. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am Reena ma'am, and today in this session I am going to teach you general awareness. Today we will learn a new topic, that is vehicles in air. Kids, there are three types of vehicles. One that moves on land, second that moves in air, and third that moves on water. Today we will learn vehicles that moves in air. But before that, let's quickly revise vehicles that moves on land. Vehicles that moves on land are called land vehicles, such as van, jeep, car, auto rickshaw, truck, bus, motorcycle. Now kids, let us learn about vehicles in air. First of all, what does air means? Air means होता है हवा. जो vehicles हवा में उड़ते हैं उन्हें हम air vehicles कहते हैं. Now let us learn about vehicles in air with the help of some pictures from our workbook. This is an aeroplane. An aeroplane flies in the sky. It is the fastest means of transport. It helps us to reach our destination in a short period of time. This is a rocket. A rocket is a space vehicle that is shaped like a long tube. It is used to launch spaceship and is also used to shoot missiles and fireworks. This is a helicopter. A helicopter is not as big as an aeroplane. It is used as flying ambulance to carry patients during flood, earthquake and other natural disaster. A landing and takeoff area for helicopter is called helipad. This is a jet plane. It is mainly used by military peoples during war. It is also known as fighter plane. This is a hot air balloon. It is commonly used for recreational purposes. Recreational means होता है मनोरंजन. हॉट एयर बलून आमतौर पर मनोरंजन के लिए यूज किया जाता है. Now kids, let us see worksheet of vehicles in air. Kids, here in this worksheet, you have to circle the vehicles that move in air. Let's see first picture. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon moves in air, so you have to circle this picture. Let's see next picture. This is a bus. Bus moves on land, so you don't have to circle this picture. Let's see next picture. This is a helicopter. Helicopter moves in air, so you have to circle this picture. Let's see next picture. This is a car. Car moves on land, so you don't have to circle this picture. Let's see next picture. This is a rocket. Rocket moves in air, so you have to circle this picture. Let's see next picture. This is a bike. Bike moves on land, so you don't have to circle this picture. Let's see last picture. This is a jet plane. Jet plane moves in air, so you have to circle this picture. Now kids, let's see second portion of the worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to identify each picture and then you have to write the first letter of its name. One has been done for you. Let's see first picture. This is an aeroplane. Aeroplane starts with alphabet A. So here alphabet A is written. Let's see next picture. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon starts with alphabet H. So you have to write alphabet H here. Let's see next picture. This is a jet plane. Jet plane starts with alphabet J. So you have to write alphabet J here. Let's see next picture. This is a rocket. Rocket starts with alphabet R. So you have to write alphabet R here. Let's see last picture. This is a helicopter. Helicopter starts with alphabet H. So you have to write alphabet H here. Kids, I hope with the help of this session, you have learned the concept of vehicles in air. Take care kids. Keep smiling. Bye bye.